Look at those beautiful layers, crisp and golden on the outside, but incredibly soft and buttery inside. And once you break one open, it's almost impossible to stop at just one. Today, we're making these delicious, buttery puff pastry buns completely from scratch. The dough is rich, delicate, and layered with butter to create that irresistible flaky texture. I will try to make this recipe as simple as possible. Let's start with the dough. Pour in 200 grams of milk and 200 grams of water. Then add 80 grams of sugar and 30 grams of yeast. Mix everything well and add 2 eggs. Add a pinch of salt, and to make the dough elastic, improve the texture of the finished buns, and extend its freshness, we add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Mix well and add 750 grams of flour. You can add it all at once. Mix everything together until a soft dough begins to form. Don't worry if the dough looks a little rough at first. The magic happens as we work the butter into the layers. Let's dust with a little flour and knead the dough until it becomes smooth, soft, and elastic. It won't take long, just a minute. You want it to feel soft and slightly tacky, but not sticky. This is exactly the texture we're looking for. Place the dough into a greased bowl. Now cover and let it rest until it becomes light and puffy. It will take about an hour. The dough rose beautifully and filled the whole kitchen with a lovely aroma. I don't know about you, but I always want to touch it. Turn the dough out onto the work surface and shape it into a form that is easy to work with. Now, divide the dough into 10 equal parts. I don't use a scale, I just eyeball it. Press the air out of the dough and shape it into balls. Cover the prepared balls to prevent them from drying out and let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Roll out the dough into a circle about 1 foot in diameter. There are many different ways to make puff pastry. Today, I'll simply stack the layers on top of one another, spreading butter between each one. This simple process is what creates all those beautiful layers you saw at the beginning. The secret to those delicate layers is keeping the butter evenly distributed through the dough. I'll leave the dough to rest for half an hour. Now let's roll out the dough. As you can see, we won't start by actually rolling it out. First, we'll just spread it out a bit on the work surface with our hands. Then we'll dust it with a little flour and roll it out thinly. We'll cut them into portions. You can make them any size. Today, I'll be making small ones, though to be honest, it's easier to wrap the filling in slightly larger ones, if you're using any. I decided to make a few with Nutella, and the rest without. Don't worry about making them perfectly identical. Homemade is supposed to have a little character. Arrange the buns on a baking tray. Cover them and let them rise again. This rise is important because it gives us that light, airy texture. Meanwhile, mix 1 egg yolk with 2 tablespoons of milk. Look how beautifully they've puffed up. Brush them gently with egg wash for that beautiful golden finish. Then they're ready for the oven. Bake until they're beautifully golden and the layers are crisp on the outside. And this is what comes out of the oven. Golden, buttery, and absolutely irresistible. You can sprinkle it with powdered sugar. Now for my favorite part. Look at those layers. The outside has a delicate, buttery flakiness, while the inside is soft, tender, and light. This is exactly why homemade pastry is worth the effort. If you love soft, buttery pastries with beautiful flaky layers, you definitely need to try these. And if you make them, I hope you enjoy them as much as we did. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.